The AutoZone Fix Finder's top reasons your check engine light may be on. Number 8. Your fuel injector is bad. So you've been to AutoZone and our free Fix Finder service has revealed that your fuel injector needs to be replaced. Let's talk next steps. What is a fuel injector? Your fuel injector is an electronically controlled valve that injects fuel into your engine at the exact pressure and quantity that your engine requires for it to perform as desired, enabling it to run as efficiently as possible. What causes fuel injector wear and tear? Your fuel injector can clog due to rust or debris, while overheating can cause problems with your fuel injector, like gasoline leakage or a failure to open and close properly. Where are fuel injectors located? In general, your fuel injectors can be located in the throttle body, in the intake, or in the cylinder head. What are the symptoms of bad fuel injectors? Symptoms include inconsistent engine power, engine misfiring, uneven engine idling, lower gas mileage. How difficult is it to replace worn-out fuel injectors? Replacing a worn fuel injector can be a difficult procedure. In most cases, the intake must be removed, and more often the injector rail must be removed in order to access the fuel injectors. This job can be one of the more difficult replacement jobs. On our scale of difficulty from 1 to 10, we'd give this an 8, and in some cases, 10. What if you don't replace your fuel injectors? Your engine will experience a variety of problems, such as misfires, which could damage your catalytic converter, and poor fuel economy, which will lead to more trips to the pump and more money out of your pocket. Now that you know what to do, take the next step and stop by AutoZone for the right parts, tools, and friendly advice. And if you need a repair shop, we can help you with that too.